Sales Success is a book by Brian Tracy that offers strategies and techniques for success in sales. The book covers a range of topics, including how to develop a positive attitude, how to build relationships with clients, and how to close sales. One key theme in the book is the idea that successful salespeople have certain attitudes and habits that contribute to their success. Tracy discusses the importance of having a positive attitude, staying focused and motivated, and being confident in one's abilities. He also emphasizes the importance of building relationships with clients, and provides strategies for how to do so effectively. In addition to discussing the attitudes and habits of successful salespeople, the book also provides specific techniques for making sales. These include identifying the needs of the customer, presenting solutions to those needs, and closing the sale. The book also discusses the importance of follow-up and ongoing communication with clients, and provides strategies for maintaining long-term relationships. Overall, Sales Success is a comprehensive guide to achieving success in sales. It provides a framework for building and maintaining relationships with clients, and offers techniques for making successful sales.